The Google Cloud Platform, in conjunction with Talend's support for Google BigQuery, Dataproc, and PubSub, allows businesses to rapidly create data lakes, execute high-performance cloud data warehousing, and gain real-time insight through streaming analytics despite the volume and type of data. In this video, I will be showing you how you can leverage Talend and Google to process free-form text using natural language processing, or NLP, with Spark for sentiment analysis. I am the owner of a Talend community blog, which provides support with help, tips, and tricks for our users. We've just released a new series called Craft Beer and Data, the show with a data conversation that will leave you thirsty for more. To maximize my viewership and to create more targeted and personalized marketing campaigns, I want to know how it is being received by the viewers. So my IT department decides to perform sentiment analysis on a large amount of social media, mainly Twitter, to gain insight into my customers' sentiment towards my series, whether it's negative, positive, or neutral. To collect this data, I'll use Talend components to ingest data from Twitter and push it out to Google Cloud Storage. I have Talend Studio open. Within my repository on the left, I have my folder tree listing my job flows and other metadata about the data integration jobs I am building. On the right is my palette listing components, and here in the center is the main design window where I drag and drop components to build out my flows. I'm going to start with my master or parent job, which orchestrates all of the tasks in my pipeline. My first job reads my data from Twitter, accepting tweets containing #craftbeerandData, the blog series from Talend, and then writes out the most recent ones on a file on Google Cloud Storage. Using my second job, I'll make sure to start my Google Dataproc cluster. Let's run this process to begin these first jobs. This execution should only take about 4 minutes, which is incredibly fast considering the amount of tasks being completed. While this is running, I'll head to my Google Developer Console, which acts as a window allowing me to see what's going on within the Google Cloud Platform. Within the Dataproc, I can see my new cluster being provisioned. It's currently launching a full Spark cluster where I can then submit jobs. All right, my cluster has been successfully provisioned and it's automatically running my first job, pulling raw data from Twitter. Within Google Cloud Storage, there is a new results folder where my running cluster is outputting the processed data stream from Twitter. And the data does not look pretty, which is why we are now running another job which will parse my Twitter data, taking only the text from the messages, and prepare it using natural language processing. The NLP extracts useful information from textual resources, such as a tweet, by classifying discussion by topic and then linking entities. Once this process has been run, my master job stores my labeled data in a file. Back in the console, I can head to my succeeded jobs and find my processed data, which has been deconstructed and classified using NLP. Once that step has been completed, my fourth job will take the data and load it to Google BigQuery. I can now see the most recent results from our Twitter analysis. It provides me with the person who posted the tweet, its correlating entity, the hashtag, and the general sentiment, which is all positive, so that's great. Now that we have processed our data with Spark using the NLP prediction model on the Google Dataproc cluster, the cluster will automatically shut down, just as we designed it to do within our master job pipeline back in Studio. So, from within the cluster view within my Google Cloud Platform, my cluster is no longer listed because we are no longer using it. And now, with this new insight, my marketing department can use my data to see how to increase the viewership and create more targeted and personalized campaigns. And that's how to build a pipeline in Talend's big data platform using natural language processing while taking advantage of the Google Cloud Platform. Visit the Talend Google Cloud Solution page or start your 30-day Talend Integration Cloud free trial today.